Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Uh, Let us introduce ourselves. We are from Group 8, Information Technology Project Management. We are a group of 2 people. There is me, Aditya, Yudha, Januar, Rizky, and with Fahrel, Dima, Ranendra. And now we are going to explain you about our project. So for our partner in this project is Alexandria Islamic Boarding School. It is one of the most well-known school in Indonesia with his fabulous and absolutely mesmerizing facility and infrastructure, and also with the most awesome teaching and learning methods that are being used in this school. So Alexandria Islamic Boarding School use 3-in-1 pass. In this context are methods for learning. There are academic points, life skill point, and behavior points. Academic points focuses on academic stuffs like subject that are being taught in school formally, and then behavior is about the behavior, of course, for the student itself, how they are going to survive in the society after graduating from the school. And then about the life skill is more focused on the skill that are out, there are not in the academic stuff. And since this school is an Islamic boarding school, of course the skills that are prioritized is Quran skills. So to following up with that, we are making some groundbreaking solutions. We are making AIMAQ, Alexandria Islamic Mentorship and Quest Academy. It is basically an applications for students to control, to monitor, and to learn in the form of applications in the phone. And then not only that, we also making the applications to be gamified. So once they done learning or finishing some assignment, they got some points, and then by the end of the semester or at the end of the course, they can redeem that points to some food vouchers or anything else. Okay, let's jump into the user interface. We are designing the login screens is neatly laid out and clear, consisting of a simple form for username and password, as well as forgot password options, and a sign up button for new users. The school logo also appears here as an element of identity. And then for the profile page, user information is displayed complete with photos and learning statistics, including date streak, total XP, current leagues, and top 3 finishes. Social features such as following or followers, friend updates, and invite friends are also present to increase interactions. Since we are making gamified learning system, we are very outpoint with this. And then for the main learning feature, AIMAQ implements a unit-based learning system where users can track their progress through the crown system. There are several subjects such as academic, behavior, and life skills. So as you can see in here, there are being separated between each semester. So when you are still in the first semester, you cannot unlock the second semester and the third semester. By this innovations, we are trying to get the benefits, especially for the student itself. We get a to get a personal learning experience, get instant feedback and measurable rewards through a gamification system, develop interests and talents in a target manner with digital progress tracking, and then to increase learning motivation through a structured achievement system. And not only for the students they are getting benefits, the lecturer also getting benefits. They are monitoring time more efficient up to 70% through an integrated digital system, and then to access to comprehensive and real-time student development data, and ease of providing feedback and evaluations, and also increasing effectiveness of communication between educators in student development. And for the school itself, it is optimizing database decision making, it is increasing operational efficiency of learning, and can strengthen competitive position as a pioneer of technology-based Islamic educations. And here are the timeline of our project. It's basically a Gantt chart that will be explained by Mas Fahrel later. Now for the durations, we are going with 5 chapters. The first is initiations, is 36 days. It's include of project charter and scope definitions, stakeholders and vendor selection, feasibility study. And after that, we are making a planning, which takes us 21 days. It includes requirement gathering, work plan, and budget finalization, and risk assessment. After we are planning, we execute it, of course, and it takes 56 days. It includes UI and mascot design, back-end development and integrations, database setup and security. And after we're done with the application, we are doing testing. It costs us 17 days. It includes system testing and debugging, user acceptance testing, and for the deployment itself, it takes us 17 days. It includes final deployment, training and documentation, and maintenance planning. And the last thing that we have to do is for project review and closure report. Now for the cost, we are breaking it down into specific chapter. In this contact, we separated into 5 chapters. For initiation, it costs us 31,800,000 rupiah. For planning, it costs us 43,200,000 rupiah. And execution, it costs us 775,572,667 rupiah. And for testing, it costs us 36,890,000 rupiah. For deployment, it costs us 116,650,000 rupiah. And for closure, it costs us only 250,000 rupiah. Next thing that we are going to show you is about the Excel that will be explained by Mas Fahrel.
And I will explain about the baseline. If the project is follow the plan, it will end in 28 February 2025, and it will cost at 1,197,456 rupiah. But there are no project is perfect. There is a problem. It's sure there is a problem. But the first problem is funding is done in stages. Only 70% has been given as of December 1st. For this problem, this project is not affected. This project doesn't affect it because at the 1st December, the progress on this project just 9%. So the funding just 70%, it's okay. It doesn't affect in this project. And the second problem is project is targeted to be completed on January 30, 2025, and it informed on January 2nd, 2025. And for this problem, I will explain at the end. In the third problem, there is political impact of material prices increasing by 1% starting on November 1st. For this problem also, this project doesn't affect it until the 2nd December, which is this project starting to buying a server, and before that this project is not affected by this problem. And the fourth problem is national disaster in the range of November 2nd and until 5th. And for this duration, this project is affected because in these days the project manager is doing feasibility study, which is the project manager is coming to visit the school, and if national disaster coming, it cannot be done. So the project manager in these days, the 2nd November until 5th November, this project manager is doing nothing, and the project manager will do after the national disaster. And in 6th November until the 9th November, the project manager will do the feasibility study to to yeah to mengganti her. And for the second problem that I will explain about the end of this presentation, yeah, there is project is targeted to be completed on January 30, 2025, which is informed on 2nd January 2025. And for this problem, this project is hiring two hardware engineer and one software developer, and we're buying which haven't we purchased like UPS, switch, router, and cable. And for the 15th January, we also hiring one more quality assurance. So there is four added person in this project, and we buying what we haven't purchased in 2nd December. So in the 2nd December, we are panic buying, and we'll hire more person to make the project faster. And for the problem, this project will end in 24 January 2025 with the total cost of this project is 1,014,671,295 rupiah. So that's my explanation about the Excel, about the baseline, the earnings, and the actual cost, and the problem about this project. Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. We are very pleased to open for a suggestion or recommendation from you, and then we are also like to get some opportunity to having collaboration with anyone that wants to collaborate with us. That's all from us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.